YouTube, let's paint some shit. So yeah, we're all marked up, ready to preppers. Press for a bottle here, fingers crossed. Ah, it's got some in there, good. I hate that when you're like, oh, I'm all ready to go, and then the last person leaves it like with 2 drops in there. God damn it, hate that. Yeah, so always do your blend areas first. I like having a joke around the workshop. I just said to the boss, like it's Thursday today, just said to the boss, and yeah, we've got a few jobs still to go. I think there's 4 there that still need painting for the morning. I think actually one of the other painters is going to get one of them done tonight. So there'll be, yeah, 1 each in the morning. Said to the boss, hey, can I have tomorrow off? You should have seen his face. The look of disgust, his jaw just dropped. He's like, what? I just cracked up, pointing and laughing at him. I was like, I was just joking, mate. The little things, mate. You gotta have a laugh. It's probably you guys are probably sitting there thinking, that's not even funny, man. I'm like, yeah, well, it was funny to me at the time. It's like I've had this this philosophy for years. I don't care what it is that makes you laugh, but as long as you're laughing, you're in a good mood, you're happy, you know. That's why I don't mind a bit of stupid humour. I like dad jokes, I like short and sweet jokes as well, just like one-liners. Yeah. It's something like comedy's a tough gig, so I don't usually attempt it in my videos, because what you think's funny and what people that are watching think's funny is usually 2 completely different things. Go flip it over on the clean side, wipe it down once more. So last week I painted this black, I think it's like CLK, CLA, I can't remember the stupid letters that Mercedes gave us, but it was a really nice Mercedes Benz, and I went in there with Basecoat and Flickr, didn't leave and blew it off and tack ragged it and everything, and there was more shit in it than the jobs that you just like bang bang smash them out. Hate that. Murphy's Law, mate. Bloody asshole Murphy. Doing your stupid laws. So I came in here with 2 guns. I had, must have been about 300, 350 mils of this colour already. I sprayed it out and checked it, and I'm like, that's good enough to blend. Sure, it wasn't perfect, it was pretty good though. I'm like, I don't want to have to waste any more base coat or mix more up. Blacks do cover really well, so what I've decided to do is I've got the 2nd gun over there, and I've got just some old base coat off. It was actually a Mazda, just some black Mazda paint that didn't get used up last time. So I'm going to put that down first over this door just to get it covered, and then it's just going to need 1 coat of the top colour over the top, just a quick coat of the top colour over the top, and yeah, we'll basically base this car up free. That's a win. I gotta go grab that camera. Get some photos before I spray for insurance purposes, so the insurance companies know that we are painting what we're quoting. It got pretty bad, I believe, in the 90s. Like some panel shops were, and more even 80s actually, 80s, 90s, like they would quote for new parts but then do repairs or vice versa, and you know, they would even order parts in to get the invoice and then send them back as credit, and then, you know, get second-hand parts in just to save $100 or whatever. And pretty shady practices, really, unnecessary. You can still make $1 without doing it. I think it just brought unnecessary attention on the industry. Anyway, let's get the camera. The boys out there doing the putty ups, and one of the other guys doing that paint job for tomorrow. Yeah, get those happy snappies. Yeah, you got the door and yeah, the beater actually, I don't think he read the job sheet on this one. He didn't repair the fender, and I looked at that damage, I'm like, I think we better fix that. It actually wasn't the job sheet too. And then sill cover was still on the car this morning when I came in, and I read the job sheet, and it goes, oh yeah, paint sill cover. I'm like, okay, you want to pull that off please? He didn't have the quarter panel stripped, and it was down for a blend. There was actually some relatively fine scratches through that quarter panel. Yeah, there was some fine scratches through that quarter panel. So we needed to paint the quarter. Like, obviously it was damaged through enough to put a second-hand door on, and there was a few fine scratches down here. So I want to get this nice and clean. I've been using this high pressure air blower lately. I think it's made a difference. I think so. Oh, my jobs aren't coming out too bad, so only as a job like this I'd have this polished easily within an hour. Probably 45 minutes. I've got a new tack rag there. Never hurt. You know what? I might actually do this door first. Take down this door while this ground coat is drying. So I'll tack rag the body while the ground coat on the door is drying. Yeah, we'll do that, eh? Yeah, I was talking before, probably in the previous video now, but I was talking just a few minutes ago about getting into a lot of retro gaming channels and that. Another interest of mine for a long time has been astrology. I've always been quite interested in the universe and science fiction, science and all that kind of stuff. And I've been getting right into a channel called John Michael Gautier. I think he's an American dude. It's a really cool channel. But I think if you're interested in astronomy and all that kind of stuff, I recommend a watch of his videos. Another one, Isaac Arthur. I've kind of gone off him a little bit of late, but yeah, he does have some great stuff. I personally found it just kind of got to the point it's like a bit too predictable, you know, like he follows that formula, the Isaac Arthur, and that's not hating on him. Like, I've seen probably half, if not more than half his videos. I did really enjoy them, but yeah, haven't been watching as much lately. That's the beauty of YouTube, you know, there's different creators give their own spin on it, and you get over one and you get into another. So yeah, this is a workhorse, mate, the 4600 Extreme. Killer quick gun. I like the digital gauge on it, and it's just really fast. I use it for sealer, aka wet on wet, long-standing climbers. It's a secondary basecoat gun. It used to be my primary basecoat gun, but I've just been really digging using the GTI Pro with the C220 air cap on it. So next up we'll go back to the body of the car and tack rag it again. By the time that's tack ragged, this door should be right to put our next coat of black on. But as you can see, that's 90% covered on the first coat. So
second coat is just going to be like a medium one. That'll give us full coverage. Yeah, blacks are always the best for coverage. Oh, we got a drip, haven't we? Oh, no. Yeah, I've just been running this thing at 20 pairs wide for Basecoat. But, get a smothers up. Alright, come on, let's spray some shit. See, basically full coverage after your first coat. Try and keep that colour down here a little. Still needed to be there to match up with the door. Obsidian Schwartz 197. Schwartz, for those who don't know, is the German word for black. And obsidian is the German word for obsidian. Starting to run out of room now, I will. Just a medium wet one, mate, and that's it. Same with this sill cover here. One medium wet one, that's done. It's actually feeling like I probably didn't even need that ground coat, but I used it. Done now. Yeah, but I will put that second coat over these parts because it didn't get the ground coat. It sort of feels like I'm still up to there, so I might have like sharp cut enough if I didn't use the ground coat. Yeah, no need for any base coat blenders or anything on your blacks. I mean, you can use them, and if you want to be safe rather than sorry, I guess you probably could do it, but I find it's unnecessary. The only reason I would recommend doing it, well, in solvent anyway, would be to make sure that you haven't left anything on your blend areas, like anything under your clear coat, like so that little bit of snot that I pointed out. If you put your blending clear over that burst and you found out that it was a little bit of a discoloration, you could bang bang, put a little bit of colour up over it. But that's about the only reason I could ever see it necessary on black or really dark colours. And sometimes you get those 50-50s, and if it's a 50-50 I just put it down. Better safe than sorry, like you get those really dark colours that they've got a coarse metallic in it, so they're the ones that I'll just, it doesn't take much at all to put a quick coat down. But that's our base coat done. I'm going to go and mix my clear up and I'll be back here in a minute, gunners. Yeah man, get up there.